Hello, teacher. Good afternoon. My name is Vanessa Sainz, bachelor student in the English second semester, University Corporation of del Caribe SECAR. Presentation, what are you doing? The house on the Tefer. On open I time there were two brothers named Daniel and Rosanna both live with their mother. His guy opening on vacation of a white dining sign with his sister, uh, um, who really liked a party. On the evening after his mom went on a trip, she invited her friends to a party up in St. Daniel to sleep. On unlocking his house, she walked her during her parties. Daniel looking on the window. Inside a house, and learning in me web wonder what will life there. So she calls their bags. A few minutes later, my friends knocked on door. Our house would not be opening because of the party. Um, the party saw in Stone Town, the window on Danny's room, and he locked out, telling them to find a ladder to down. Moment. They managed today Daniel down. The stainless a house that is near her type, hosting some stole my window to see what is the mysterious and lonely house, and they walked towards the house and look I didn't feel something some I fear in Cindy. They entered the house and found this abandoned. When this router holiday found the mother we want whose advent from and trip I speaking with they were subscribed and they told what happened in the house and consenting to their imagination haunts how their mother told them children should not and their Antonio's person home you stay long stand back today to help told them. When they returned home, they found their mother would have whose I been from a trip and escaped my day her subscribed and the day to what happened. In the house, a condition to their imagination, and haunted house their mother to them, children all should not enter another's person. Home and you stay alone, start but head of ten. And they told their mother that we would not do it again. They al process the son in the course of telling what had happened. Their mother told them he brought grief of they want to say to brothers and one who that eight other are saying yes no they enjoyed a pleasant time adding the comparty of their love honest remember good times every John and happy playing. Eh, eh, Gracias, thank you y goodbye.